Hey there, welcome to EezyCollab's tutorial. We all know how tedious influencer marketing can be. Traditional tools are either imprecise or prohibitively expensive. That's where EezyCollab comes in. Let me show you how it works. Select your target platform and enter your website link or product details. Our AI analyzes your input and suggests relevant hashtags. Customize your search as needed, then click Search with AI. Review real-time metrics like engagement rates and average views. Save promising influencers to your list for easy access and direct outreach. You can check your search history and saved influencer lists anytime. But we don't stop at search. Our bulk emailing feature streamlines your outreach. Connect your Google account. Use our templates and craft your message. Select your influencer list and click Send to All. Send a test email to yourself. With EezyCollab, you're not just finding influencers. You're discovering the perfect partners for your brand, from KOL to KOC, all while saving time and resources. Experience the precision and efficiency of EezyCollab for free. Your influencer marketing strategy will never be the same.